So my second tool that I'm going to be showing you is my assessment tool, and it is called Socrative. So my favorite way to use Socrative in class is to administer class-wide quizzes. So basically, this is what the homepage looks like. And if I wanted to administer a quiz, I would first have to make it. So I already made 2 quizzes. And if I wanted to launch them, I would click the launch button and I would click quiz. Okay, all you have to do is select which quiz you want to give and then click next. There are 3 different ways you can do it. Instant feedback doesn't let kids change their answers after they submit them, but it does give them, obviously, instant feedback for whether or not they got the question right. Open navigation means that they can click through the entire test and change their answers as they go before submitting them. And teacher pace just means that it's a guided class-wide activity that students submit their answers and then see how they compare to the rest of the people in their class. This is my personal favorite. Okay, so you change the settings however you choose, and then we click start. So the questions look like this. As students are answering, you can see how many people in your class have answered them and see if you're waiting on anybody. Then you can click how'd we do, and you can see what percentage of people guessed which letter answer. And then obviously the correct answer shows up for them. So if I wanted to at any point in time finish this test, I would click through to the end, and then I would click finish. And the best part about Socrative is that you can actually download reports to see how your students did. Okay, so you can see this in chart form, or you can see this in like a bar graph form. Or if you don't really care, you can click to get back to the launch and pick another activity to do. Okay, and that is Socrative.